and I'm gonna build stuff. This is where we go to Home Depot. Come here at Saturday here so you can build some more Chippy stuff. This is the aisle you go to build. Do you recognize this aisle? Read the comics. I have to talk loud, like yelling, because there's a lot of noise here, and we're gonna make a summer camp car. These and stickers, 2 squares, like rectangles.
No, I gotta help you out, then we'll go home.
And instructions. I'm gonna start hammering. This hammer is really heavy. Even though it's a little bit unscrewed.
No?
So when you turn them upside down, they don't fall off. Okay, next step. So I'm gonna hammer the last step on. Okay. Now we're gonna need this, put wheels in this. So what you do here is you take a nail and a wheel, then you stab it through the nail, and then you put it in the car's hole. Then you take a 1-pound hammer, because the 200-pound hammer is hard to balance. Oops. And hammer it in. Okay, now we're going to do it to the camper. Same thing. Know what to do? Stab that through. Okay, nice. So we do that over there. Take the 1-pound hammer and stab it through. Okay. What we do is we have this, and now we can roll it through a direction. Alright, we're just painting the whole thing white so we don't see anything left. Okay. Then once that's done, we do the half inside orange. Then
There. But you know what? Paint it like that.
And blue. So we paint that on the other side.
Okay, here's another blue.
That's purple. Okay. Now we do the other full side. remember to hold that subscribe button and ring the bell.
Hold on.
Bye guys. Bye.